Hi friends. In this video I will show you a brand new smartwatch from Boltt. Please watch till end. Give a like if you enjoyed this video. Boltt BSW001. After opening the box there is a user manual. Boltt warranty card. Boltt Play app membership. Free Z5 premium subscription. Free 3 months music from Ghana. This smartwatch comes with many options like adjusting screen brightness, face changing option, backside you can see the sensors to measure SpO2 and heart rate. Charging dock comes with magnet which fits perfectly with watch for charging. This watch provides all-day activity, message reminder, dynamic heart rate. IPX7 waterproof, measure SpO2, 8 days battery. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and give a like if you enjoyed this video.
You